Welcome to Benny Boy's Tech. Here's how to grow mushrooms the simple, clean way. First, grab your tools, your Benny Boy grain bag, scissors, 3M micropore tape, and either a piece of mycelium or a spore syringe. Start by sanitizing your workspace and hands with 70% isopropyl alcohol. A couple of sprays is enough. Wipe down tools, let them dry, and flame sterilize your scissors and needle if using liquid syringes. If you're using agar, cut a small slit in the upper right corner of the bag and drop in a small piece of mycelium. If you're using a spore syringe, poke a small hole on the side of the bag and inject about 1 milliliter of solution so it runs down the inside. Then cut a small slit in the upper right corner for air exchange. Lightly cover the hole with 3M micropore tape, just enough to protect it, but not airtight. The mycelium still needs to breathe. Place the bag in a clean, room temperature spot, away from sunlight and airflow. Sit back and watch your mycelium take off. Before you go, here are some quick tips on what not to do. Don't over-inject. About 1 milliliter per bag is enough. And don't go too deep, or you'll risk pooling at the bottom. Don't seal the hole completely. The mycelium still needs air exchange. Test new syringes on agar before use to make sure they're clean and contamination-free. We hope you love the Benny Boy's Tech grain bags. If you experience any issues, please reach out to us directly. We'll take care of replacements or refunds promptly so you can avoid the hassle of returning it.